So if you've been wondering if popping your neck or your lower back is okay, today I'm going to go over the answers to that. I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin. I'm a chiropractor who helps people to remove the blockages in their health to lead amazing, fantastic lives. So when you wind up going and popping your neck, and by popping your neck, I mean like whoosh, or sitting on a chair and turning you so that you have to make those popping noises, that's really not good for your spine. What's happening when that occurs is that there are areas in your spine, whether it's in your neck or your lower back, that are not moving at all, and they're asking for help. But then you've got the areas above and below those segments that wind up moving extra more when you do those motions, rather than the segments that are locked. Then those segments that are locked or not moving move even less, because the ones above it and below it are moving more, and cause you to have that feeling of needing to do it more often. If you or someone you know pops their neck or their lower back a lot, and it's bothersome to you, or you're curious if it's good for them, pass this video along to them so that they can get some answers. Now, if you just pop and doing daily activities, I typically find that there's nothing wrong with it. But if you're making yourself pop, that's a problem. You need to get checked by a corrective chiropractor. If you need help with finding one, go ahead and write them down below. If you like information like this to share with your friends and people you know and to learn, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We're constantly creating videos like this to help people like yourself live a life of optimal health and well-being. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.